Welcome to the today's class. We are discussing 7th grade civics, that is a social and political life. In this um, book, again we are discussing the fourth chapter, growing up as a boys and girls. So we came the last stage of this chapter now today. Uh, Last important subtopic of this chapter, that is women's work and equality. Yes, so women's they are the getting a value the attached with the uh, women's household work and caregiving work, and not an individual or a family matter. Yes, so women when she's doing the household work, they are the calculating with the value, means the when calculating the value means she is without salary, without wages, she is working as a housewife or a mother, sister. Yes, but when we are comparing the same thing, when she go out, yes, male or the female, they are working outside, they will get a particular wages, salary in some amount they are the getting. So when we are comparing these things, the equality in the important principle that is in our constitution. Yes, so in our constitution, the government has provided the equality among the all citizen of our country. There is no reason about discrimination, the whether they are the male or the female. Yes, there is no stereotype in our society. So in equality, it will be sometimes the behind a society, means in some particular areas, in some particular in some particular situations, it will be happens. So that is stereotype or discrimination. Sometimes it is happens in a community basis. So inequality when we see in surrounding areas, yes, the government therefore committed and understand some reasons the behind of situations. The positive steps has taken as a remedial things they are taken by the government. Yes, so in some examples we can take the in especially in rural areas. Yes, the women uh, in sometimes when we see in rural areas, they are the house the women especially, they are the working in a house. Yes, as well as taking care of a child. Yes, in the same thing when we see that in urban areas, the urban areas women, in almost all 75% of women, they are working women. They are working at outside also, and they are doing the household work also. It will be considered as a double burden for to the woman. Yes, so double burden of women's work, is it? They are ready to take care of a family also. They are ready to take a fam outside in office also, schools also, hospitals also. Yes. So continuing that same content, we have a fifth chapter in a civics. Women can change the world. Yes. So women can change the world. That in that chapter will emphasize and will go through deeply about the how women can change the world. So make uplift the woman's life or the girl and girl's life in a especially in a rural area. They are made some schemes, and they are the created some weather conditions, means climatical conditions they are created, and atmosphere they are the created for to make women's life better, in who are the having the household work, who are doing the household work. So it will be show the impact of a girl or a woman, so who are unable to attend the schools, the who are unable to go for the schools. For them they are the maid, that is the night schools. Yes, ratri shale, they are the maid. Night schools, they are the maid here. The evening schools will be run in some rural areas, and especially they are the giving they are the made some child care centers, that is anganwadis. Yes, in anganwadis now at present also they are the present in rural areas. So in these anganwadis they are giving a training for to the women. Which kind of the organization, which kind of the they are giving a suggestions for the these household women, the how they can sitting in a home only, how they can um, stand on their own foot, how can they are making themselves as a employee. They are the giving some training, for examples embroidery training they are the giving, and tailoring they are the giving, preparation of the cook these pickles, papad making, soap making, and washing powder making. These such a trainings they are the giving at present. So on the under basis of that, such a organization, they are the making more than 30 women employees. Yes, so they are the cherishing their career because of they are not able to go for to the school. There's some reasons behind of that. Maybe they are unable to pay when they are in a childhood, and main important, the girl child hasn't sent to the schools in a rural area in a sometimes. Okay, so the cherishing and making the employee in at a home only, not going for to the outside. So uh, it is also make possibilities for the more girls are attending the schools. So they will encouraging, we can see here one picture they given. Yes, they are the given here, they are the making women as well as children, uh, they are the giving education. Here in Anganwadi is what they are giving education. Here they are at present also how to prepare a nutrition food. Yes, that one they are giving training, they will give educate, they will educate that woman how to prepare a nutrition food at home. And second one, how to take care of children, their own children, how to take care of those things. And the hygienic, the cleanliness hygienic of the woman's hygienic as well as the surrounding hygienic, the everything they are they will give the demo as well as classes they will take a household woman. This will be happens in a only in rural areas, not in a urban areas, in a villages it will be happens, not in a city level. Yes, we'll get anganwadis in a rural areas. And in anganwadis they will take care of child, they will provide a food. Yes, milk, egg, banana, these things are the given for to the small kids under a 5, under uh, 5 to 6 year age. In below the age of 6, they will take care of those children. So women's for the equality, here the one more thing they are the given here, just when we see this is, so the woman, she can do the all the works. Just see, when we see this agriculture, uh, riding a bicycle, yes, and taking care of a child, here we can see that picture how many one 5 pictures they are the given. The poster is telling that in a Bengali, so Mahila Jagarana Kendra, that is in a Patna, they are given this picture. She can do all the works. And another one picture here, they are given this poster was created by the women group in a Bengal. Yes, so this it will be, she has a uh, 10 hands she can do. So here the saving, as well as the taking care of the child, as well as writing, washing clothes, yes, uh, brooming. Here heart also they given, means it's taking care of house members, as well as pot it is there in her hand, and some spoons are there. Yes, so this shows that she can do all the works, yes, with her own strength. Yes, so this chapter has completed. Tomorrow we'll start a new chapter from history. For the reference, you can refer NCERT textbook of 7th. Thank you.